It's Wednesday, October 24th, 2012. Des here with Grok Trade. I am your future mentor, if I'm not already your mentor. And you get the very best technical analysis right here. So I'm glad that you found us. Taking a look here, the markets are in bearish territory. We did start off quite bullish today and then sold off by days in. We didn't have the Fed come out. It looks like they're staying pat with their stimulus. That's going to be, actually it looks like they're going to keep their interest rates near zero until, get this, mid-2015. What do they see? I'll tell you this, they don't see a major correction of the markets anytime soon for them to make that sort of announcement today. It doesn't surprise me that the market stayed bearish. Went bearish and stayed there. We have the Dow down 25 points, down 0.2%, the S&P down 0.31%, and the Nasdaq down 0.3%. The same on the Russells. Banks barely in positive territory. VIX down, get that, 2.7%. We're still above 18. Gold down, silver up, and crude oil down by over 1%. However, there's talks out there that crude oil is under pressure and people are thinking it might be time to go long. So keep your eye on crude. US dollar at break even. And you know what? Let me show you this. Transportation index down 2%, really showing some underlying weakness here. Alright, here we are. Today we did start off bullish like I was saying, and we come right back down. If you haven't done so yet, click on full screen so you can watch this in very clear, high quality, high definition. But check this out, right there, those lows, it's a tweezer bottom. Pretty bullish. We have a decent chance of a rally going in tomorrow, but we have resistance coming up with this trend line. So, and we're also at 1418. That could be a resistance point. So the 1420. A lot of resistance here. Even though I do see a possible pop, I don't see it being huge. And we could start building a low base here. If you look at the weekly here is firmly at a support line. Resistance, support, support, almost ready to meet the 20-week moving average, which is rising right here. And take a look here at Apple. Really thought Apple would give us a nice white candlestick today. However, we're pinching, so you have what's called a bearish pennant. See the pinching pattern right there? That's not a good pattern for Apple. However, Apple's got some fine fundamentals. However, there is some talks about the iPad that just came out that people aren't overly thrilled with. Facebook, as we've been talking, looked like it could be at a buy, and check this out. Boom! Came out with some decent earnings, have a nice pop. Up 19% for the day, at one point up over 25%. And that happened actually pre-market. Nice little run. Google had a gap up and a sell-off. Not overly exciting, but I'll tell you, I think there's an opportunity here, gang. You might be looking at some Google shares because it looks like it's at a really good price. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is just getting hammered, and silver continues to just get pounded. But look at the weekly. Man, that is scrumptious. Silver looks like a buy on the weekly, and looks like we're getting there also on gold. Not too shabby. Monster MNST, check this out. Up almost 17%. Massive sell-off. I mean, children dying. They're thinking maybe because of Monster drink. Today a gap up and a significant bounce back. Really big pop. And on the weekly chart, you could see we drop, found support at 40, boom, making a hammer right now. So soon as the rumor is that, hey, Monster doesn't have anything to worry about, expect there to be a nice little rally ensue. I think it's still a little early to be taking that gamble. This is just a dead cat bounce right now. Opportunists jumping in and fading this extreme drop. So there you have it. Take care, safe trading, spread this to a friend, click like if you want, and if you're so bold, leave a comment.